the manual says to jack it up back here in front of the cross pipe, in front of this crossover pipe. That will not work unless you have eye hooks holding your front tire down. So you can jack it up on the front of the swing arm, this pivot right here, or you can jack it up at the back cross member, which we're going to show you momentarily. And start installing the convertible comfort lift, of which there's two options, and almost assuredly, because of this huge weld bead on this 2019, we'll have to use the secondary lift holes on the convertible comfort lift. On previous to the M8s, there's not that big weld bead, and so a lot of times you can use the full lift on the convertible comfort lift. Hey folks, if you liked this video or you found it useful, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, well, give us a thumbs down. Please hit the subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot. And if you'd like to see each new video as it comes out, hit the notification bell and you'll get notified each time we put out a new video. Also, if you could leave us a comment below telling us what you like, telling us your suggestions or thoughts for new videos, we'd appreciate it.